Hello, I'm Havris with WTI and I have this skincare cleanser of Project E Beauty. It's very convenient to use due to its size. We can have it at home for when we want to take care of our skin and have a spa day. We should use the liquid it comes with to make the face more comfortable when using the machine. This one has two modes. The first is like a constant vibration and the second is like a small taps with a pause. In both modes we can increase or decrease the speed. Another thing I really like is that it's rechargeable. We don't always have to have it connected to electricity, only when we've finished using it. It's really cool because we can do it ourselves at any time. I love it because it doesn't hurt and doesn't mistreat our skin. And that's my point of view.